Also a professor at Hogwarts and part-time manager at Hot Topic. Give it up for Severus Snape!
I was really bummed when they asked me to do the roast because I was excited, but then they asked me to be Snape. And I was like, gosh, dang it! And it's not I was like, oh, maybe it was the only one left, but they asked me twice to be Snape. But I'm just pissed too because I looked in the mirror and I'm like, oh, I do look like Snape. Okay, so I'm doing this set as we're all in class and I'm British and alive or whatever. You are not allowed to talk. I don't know, maybe it's funny and interesting, but it messes everything up. And
Silencio!
Thank you. Thank you. Two demerits. So I'm you know how your potions teacher is super dorky and always has these dumb jokes? Well, Snape loves telling jokes, but you didn't get to see it in the show. He's just a regular cool math teacher. Okay, here they are. I need a drum, please, to ensnare the senses. One down. What do you call it when a wizard school pours its heart out? What? The Hogwarts Express. How do you greet a large board with lines going up and down and lines going across and they're intersecting? How do you greet that? Hey, grid! There's no time for everyone to get the joke, so I'll just... What's the name of a famous rapper, evil boy, who's also evil, and his most popular song right now is Non-Stop, and he's also a little bit Irish. So who's that? Drake Malfoy.
And the Dementors.
Yeah, Draco Malfoy and the Dementors. See, that's why I'm not... Yeah, guys, he has a fake accent, too. Okay. How much money in British money does it cost to play a wizarding sport? For every match? A quid each. I want to murder her. It's not helping. I love that I can just be so angsty and mean and it's fine. How do you check online if something is fake news or not? Go to snapes.com. I hate myself. What potion is the most open to multiple relationships? Polyjuice potion.
What made you think you were going to write a better punchline than Snape?
Yeah. Can you please?
You know you're in a roast. You don't want this to turn out to you.
Yeah. I can't see you.
She has the invisibly cloak on.
No, I know she's there. Don't ruin one of my jokes. Thank you. Okay. butts. Ass Kevin. You didn't know that one. Like, is that Hermione doing her character? Oh no. I know. Like, shut up. I hear American healthcare system is so bad. Do you know what we call it? The Flu Network. Insulting. No, I'm not doing that one. What do you call short shorts that bees wear? Honeydukes. Okay, I just have 2 more left. You know those cute little water creatures who swim on their backs and hold hands? So you guys know what those are called? When you get directions on how to find a large amount of those cute little creatures, what's that called? It's called the Marauders Map. What do you call the wizarding government after taking out a tree? The Minus Tree of Magic. I'll just leave you with a true story. In real life.
Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? Magic!
So fun. I'm Andy Erikson. You may have seen me on Last Comics. A couple years ago, I went to Real Wizard Camp for adults. It's like only adults are allowed, 18 plus, and there's alcohol, and it's so fun. And I bought 2 tickets, and I invited my husband to go, and he said no thank you. So I went by myself. But the Wizard Camp was in Virginia, but I flew into New York just so I could take a train. Pretend like I was on the Hogwarts. All right, thanks you guys. Enjoy the rest of the
Professor Severus Snape